Hello everyone, this is the walkthrough for my app Wish and Own, which is an app created for the Flatiron School Rails section and is a required project. So basically this is an app where you can track the items that you own by creating inventories, and then you can also add wish lists in which you have items that you wish to own at a later date. So to show you how this works, first I'm going to point out over here on the right we have the sign in, sign up, and then sign in with Facebook. We're going to go ahead and create a new account. So for this account, we're just going to add a new person, and here we go, and our password. Sign up. Okay, so here we have our main page, and you have your inventories, a link to go there, and your wish list. So right now we don't have anything, so we're going to add an inventory first. Here we're going to create an inventory named movies. Here we are in the movies inventory. Now we can choose to edit this inventory, which means we can change the name of it, or we can choose to delete it or add an item. Right now we're going to add an item to it, so we can get started. Let's go ahead and add Harry Potter, and in the Sorcerer's Stone. Stone. And we're going to add the description, Harry Potter's first year at Hogwarts. There we go. And the URL, we're just going to make up one. And now we can see that we're back in the movies inventory, and we have a movie in our inventory. Now let's go to the wish list now, which is here. We're going to create a new wish list, and we're going to call it movies as well, and this one is going to be movies that I want to own. Okay, and so here we have the movies wish list that we just created, and with the description. Now we don't have any items in this yet, so we're going to go ahead and add an item, and let's just say we want the movie Alien, and we're going to say aliens are real, and then aliens.com. And so we add the movie. Okay, so we have Alien. Let's go ahead and add one. Oops, see, I'm glad I have a check. I accidentally was going to delete it, and I do not want to, so. Okay, let's add another item, and we're gonna put, how about, Witch. I don't even know if that's a movie. Witches Invade. Okay, and we're gonna put witch.com. Perfect. And here we have the two movies that we added. Now if you click on the item, you can see that it goes to the item place where the item is located, and it goes and gives you the description and the URL. Now if it's a real URL, you can actually click on it and it'll take you there, but this one's not, so I'm not going to click on it. Now we're going to go back to the wish list, and you can see we have the two movies. Let me close this out. Sorry. Okay. And so we're going to go back home, and we're actually going to go to our inventory. So let's say we actually purchased one of the movies that's in our wish list. And so we want to go ahead and add it to our inventory since we now own it and we don't need it in our wish list. So we're going to click Add Item. And as you can see, we have now a little section which indicates that we have items in wish lists now, and it lists all the items that are on our wish list so that we can choose to add a specific item or two to our inventory. And so we're going to go ahead and add the movie Alien to our inventory, and we're going to click Add Item, and now it is here in our inventory and let's go ahead and check to make sure it deleted it from the wish list, and it did. So now we only have the witch movie in our wish list, and yeah, so everything's good. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add another item to make sure that the delete works. We're going to go ahead and add a random item. Puppies are here, and then here we go. Okay, so we're going to add a random movie. Now we're going to click on this, and if we go here, we have the description and everything, and we're going to go ahead and delete this item, and if we click OK, it should delete. Yep, it does, and we can go ahead and double check by going back, and you see that it is gone from here. So that's the gist of my app, is that you have inventories and you have wish lists that you can choose to create, and we're going to end this off by go ahead and we're going to delete this wish list, and it should be gone. Now there's no wish list, and you can create some more. And to double check that the logout works, so we're going to go ahead and log out, and it takes you back to the home page. And then we're going to go ahead and sign in just to show that it does work. Whoops, wrong email. The email was andrew@gmail.com, and the password, oops, Andrew, okay. And as you can see, we are logged in now, and here are our inventories, and then our items in the inventory. And so that's basically the gist of it. I hope y'all enjoy it, and hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you for watching.